Choosing to serve your country in the United States Army is a life-changing decision. There are not many honors as great as this. But if life takes you away from active duty status, your service doesn't have to end. It can continue in the Army National Guard. As an Army National Guard soldier, you now serve part-time and in a dual mission. You continue to be a soldier for the nation, able to be deployed if needed. But now you also serve your state and local community in time of need. Your education and health benefits will continue for you and your family, and you have the freedom to live wherever you choose. In addition to all that, the most important added benefit to part-time service is time. Time with your family and friends. Time to focus on you and building a life you want. Learn how you can come home to the Guard by talking to your Installation Reserve Component Career Counselor.